Hey, Richard.
Hi, Kevin.
What are you working on?
I got a tweet from Abby from Little Rock. Just moved into a new house. What tools do I need for plumbing?
You know, I get that tweet all the time, and I've just been sending out your phone number.
Well, thanks a lot.
Yeah.
I'm plenty busy. The best thing you can have for a tool is peace of mind.
Meaning
when you first moved into a house, somebody should go down to the basement or in wherever the main water shut-off valve is and put this, a tag that lets you know. So when you see water come out of a wall that shouldn't have water in it, you know to go down and take this handle and turn it this way so you stop the water from coming this way.
In an emergency, you don't want to be looking
That's
for
right.
that. You want to know where it is.
And it may look like this. This is called a gate valve. This is called a ball valve.
Okay, so find out where that one is.
All right. So for tools, though, you should start your kit with just a basic set of water pump pliers. This is the ones we've used for years. There's all kinds of shapes and sizes, but they need to be big enough to actually do the job.
Right, and these
they
are
have
great.
teeth. You see them?
Yep, and they adjust, right? And you've
That's right.
taught us that what's nice about them is that as you torque down on them, it actually gets tighter as you turn.
Right, and you can actually tighten something up.
Right.
Now, people have these things in their kitchen drawers, and they think that they're all set, you know? But these are just not big enough to do the job, and they're not really going to be effective like these are.
Okay.
All right, now, sometime in the plumbing system, you're going to need something like this. You've got brass where you don't want to gunk it up with the teeth, so you'd use an adjustable open end like this and really be able to get it down tight and get good torque right there.
Because the teeth you're saying would actually just mar that brass.
That's
and
right.
ruin the
That's
fixture.
right. That's right.
Okay.
Right. There's another wrench for getting into tight places. You know, you got to get up underneath kitchen sinks, lavatories. This is called a basin wrench, and this is really handy. So imagine I needed to tighten up a nut. I could go this way.
Yep.
I can reverse this way to loosen a nut and go this way.
Perfect, because you don't have the clearance up by pipes when you're using a wrench like this.
Absolutely.
Great.
And any kit should also have a decent screwdriver.
Yep.
It's amazing how many times you have the Phillips screwdriver head completely worn out. You need a good screwdriver.
So let's talk about blockages, because eventually you're going to get one when it comes to
That's
plumbing,
right.
right? The toilet's going to back up or something.
The toilet's the prime culprit, and so here's a cutaway of a toilet.
Yep.
You see the water in the bowl, and this is the trapway right here, and the place where the stoppage normally happens is up inside this passageway down here where it gets slightly smaller.
Sure.
So the best tool is this, the basic tool is this really, and this is a plunger. And so what you want to do, people have the wrong idea. You don't want to just drive that stoppage farther down. You actually want to get a decent seal, and once you have some suction, you want to pull it this way to attempt to bring it back and release it this way.
Because pushing is really just like stuffing a cork further in the bottle.
That's right. But that doesn't always work. This is a tool made called a closet auger.
Yep.
Now you'll see it's got a protective coating right here. So now what you can do is you can put this down right in here, and so once you see what happens, you don't scratch the china right here. And now as you advance this down, it'll go up through the trapway and clear the stoppage. And this is really an effective tool, and every house should actually have
I
one.
like that. So I think of that as a snake, but actually there's something else that's technically a snake.
It's expressly made for a toilet. It's called a closet auger.
Right.
The other tool you might want to have is indeed a snake. Underneath your lavatory, underneath your kitchen sink is a trap like this. Food stuff's going to get into the kitchen trap.
Sure.
Hair gets down into the lavatory. And in this case, you want to go down through the trap, advancing a little bit of time. It'll turn this way and go down through the horizontal.
Beautiful. You know, I wasn't kidding, though, about having your phone number. I mean, it is nice to know who you're going to call in the middle of the night in an emergency.
Sometimes the best tool is to have the phone number of somebody that can come over.
All right. Good job, Richard. Thank you.
All right.